Hello friends, welcome to our channel CBSE English, the topper's choice. In today's video, we are going to discuss multiple choice questions of class 9th, 7th lesson from the book Beehive, Packing. Here we go. Question number 1. Who is the author of this lesson, Packing? Options are Jerome K. Jerome, George, Harris, or Montmorency, and the right answer is Jerome K. Jerome. Question number 2. Why was Jerome willing to do packing? Options are because of his expert packing skills, he did not want to miss anything, he wanted to steal his friend's belongings, or he liked doing it. And the right answer is because of his expert packing skills. Question number 3. Who was the best packer? Options are Jerome, Harris, George, or none. And the right answer is Jerome. Question number 4. Who was the worst packer according to Jerome? Options are George, Harris, Montmorency, or all. And the right answer is Harris. Question number 5. Why was Jerome the best packer? Options are because of his ability to pack things in order, because of his words, because he's boasting, or none. And the right answer is because of his ability to pack things in order. Next, question number 6. Who was irritating George and Harris? Options are Jerome, Montmorency, packing, or all. And the right answer is Montmorency. Question number 7. Who made a mess of everything? Options are Harris, Montmorency, George, or all. And right answer is George. Question number 8. What was Montmorency's contribution to the packing? Options are made packing easier, packing became quicker, packing was worsened, or all. And the correct answer is packing was worsened. Question number 9. How was packing worsened with Montmorency's contribution? Options are packing became tiresome, became a perfect nuisance, put his leg into jam and sat over the things, or all. And the right option is all. Question number 10. What does uncanny mean? Options are strange, mysterious, difficult to explain, or all. And the correct option is all. Question number 11. How did George and Harris start their packing? Options are squeezing tomatoes, breaking a bucket, breaking a sauce plate, or breaking a cup. And the correct answer is breaking a cup. Question number 12. Who trod on the butter? Options are George, Harris, Jerome, or all. And the correct answer is George. Question number 13. What was the writer, that is Jerome K. Jerome, proud of? Options are his selling skills, his learning abilities, his negotiation skills, or his packing skills. And the right answer is his packing skills. Question number 14. What was the name of the dog? Options are Tommy, Montmorency, Tom, or Romy? And the correct answer is Montmorency. Question number 15. What happened when George put butter on the chair? Options are: Harris sat on the chair and butter was stuck to his back. Montmorency ate it. Jerome ate it. Or George kept it in the fridge. And the right answer is Harris sat on the chair and butter was stuck to his back. Next, question number 16. Who offered to do packing first? Options are Montmorency, George, Harris, or Jerome. And the right answer is Jerome. Question number 17. What was the most irritating thing for Jerome? Options are Montmorency, people's behavior, seeing people doing nothing, or packing. And the right option is seeing people doing nothing. Question number 18. Who packed the hampers? Options are Montmorency, Jerome, George and Harris, or all. And the right option is George and Harris. Question number 19. Why did George and Harris' reaction irritate Jerome? Options are because he was losing a chance to educate them, he wanted to supervise over them and educate them, he didn't like them, or none. And the correct answer is he wanted to supervise over them and educate them. Question number 20. What did Jerome often forget to pack? Options are his shirts, boots, toothbrush, or all. And the right answer is boots. Question number 21. Where did Jerome finally find his toothbrush? Options are in a boot, in the cupboard, in the suitcase, or none. And the correct answer is in a boot. Question number 22. Why did Jerome feel the need to reopen his bag? Options are because he had packed his tobacco pouch in it, because he forgot to pack toothbrush, to find his boots, or none. And the correct answer is to find his boots. Question number 23. What did George and Harris offer to pack? Options are tomatoes, boots, hampers for carrying food, or all. And the right answer is hampers for carrying food. Question number 24. Who were Jerome's friends? Options are Montmorency, George and Harris, can't say, or none. And the right answer is George and Harris. Question number 25. At what time did Jerome pack the bag finally? Options are 8:05 p.m., 9:05 p.m., 10:05 p.m., or 11:05 p.m. The correct answer is 10:05 p.m. Next, question number 26. Who was Montmorency? Options are Jerome's friend, Jerome's neighbor, Jerome's cousin, or Jerome's pet dog. And the right answer is Jerome's pet dog. Question number 27. What did Montmorency do to the jam? Options are ate it up, threw it away, put his leg into it, or none. And the right answer is put his leg into it. Question number 28. What did Montmorency think the lemons to be? Options are rats, squirrels, balls, or none. And the right answer is rats. Question number 29. What time did the packing finish finally? Options are 11:05 p.m., 11:24 p.m., 11:35 p.m. or 12:50 a.m. And the right answer is 12:50 a.m. Question number 30. What horrible idea struck Jerome's mind after packing his bag? Options are whether his toothbrush is packed or not, boots are packed, tobacco pouch is kept or not, or none. And the right answer is whether his toothbrush is packed or not. Question number 31. Why did the author want to wake up at 6? Options are he wanted to write some letters, he wanted to pack again, he wanted to buy a handkerchief, or he wanted to find his toothbrush. And the right answer is he wanted to write some letters. Question number 32. When Montmorency could get his highest aim accomplished, his dash. Options are mood would get happiest, his conceit becomes unbearable, his anger becomes out of tolerance, or he becomes tired and sleepy. And the right answer is his conceit becomes unbearable. Question number 33. What did the three friends toss for? Options are packing, butter, beds, or all of the above. And the right answer is beds. Question number 34. While packing things, George and Harris did a few silly things. Name them. Options are broke a cup and upset almost everything, squashed a tomato, trod on butter and stepped on a banana, or all. And the right option is all. Question number 35. The lesson packing is an extract taken from dash. Options are Malgudi Days, Wings of Fire, Alchemist, or Three Men in a Boat. And the correct answer is Three Men in a Boat. Next, question number 36. What made the author so wild after he had shut and strapped the bag? Options are Harry's question of packing, George's laugh, the old man's laziness, or power cut. And the right answer is George's laugh. Question number 37. Where did they finally pack the butter? Options are inside a box, in the teapot, in the kettle, or in the plastic bag. And the right answer is in the teapot. Question number 38. How many characters are there in this story? Options are 2, 3, 4, or 5. And the right option is 4. Question number 39. What was Jerome's actual intention during packing? Options are he wanted to do it all by himself, he wanted to make the best bag pack, he wanted his clothes to be safe, or he wanted to boss the whole process. And the right answer is he wanted to boss the whole process. Question number 40. The author described his nature to be dash. Options are lazy, responsible, energetic, or inhuman. And the correct answer is energetic. So dear friends, if you have liked this video, please click on like, subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching.